Hello guys, this is me Zaya. We are playing today. Let's go into the house. Here is our balay. There's a fun camera and here's our room. And I just live into the goas. Because we are doing guys, we are getting water today. Let's get some water. Let's get water. So, wait lang guys. Wait lang, dara ka guys Ha! Wait lang. And goodbye guys. I forgot you. I'm gonna get some water because I'm gonna help with what get mama. Goodbye. Bye bye. The next time. See you tomorrow at 8 p.m.